Doing daily mobility work is a lot like getting routine maintenance for your car. Although you may not feel the daily wear and tear you place on your body, it will eventually catch up to you if you neglect the health of your muscles and your joints. Imagine how your car would run after going years without an oil change or a routine checkup. That's similar to how our bodies feel when we neglect our mobility for too long. But unlike cars, our bodies don't need much work to stay in good health. A little bit of mobility work done each day will go a long way to lubricate your joints, improve your performance, and to mitigate injury. For this workout, I'll take you through 5 mobility exercises that you can do daily to increase your mobility and flexibility. When we begin, we'll do each exercise for 30 seconds, then we'll rest for 30 seconds. Let's start things off with the down dog to up dog, which is an excellent exercise to increase your spinal mobility and total body awareness. Start in a downward dog position with your legs straight and your hips pushing back away from your hands. After a brief hold in the downward dog position, lean forward and press your hips towards the ground into an upward dog position. Your goal should be to transition between these two positions as smoothly as possible. Now if you're ready, we have 30 seconds. Up next is the table rock, an exercise that is widely known to reverse the detrimental impact of sitting. To perform the table rock, sit on the ground with your knees bent so that your feet are flat on the ground. Then place your hands on the ground behind you. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you raise your hips up to form a parallel angle with the ground. A helpful tip is to squeeze your glutes at the top of every repetition to fully engage your posterior chain. When you're ready, we have 30 seconds. Now let's move down to the hips with one of my favorite hip openers, the seated hip rotation. This movement opens up your hips through both internal and external rotation to increase your hip mobility and reduce your aches and pains. From a seated position, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground, wider than hip width apart. Keep your hips flat on the ground as you rotate your legs from side to side. When you're ready, we have 30 seconds. The fourth exercise in this mobility routine is called the seated pike lift. This mobility drill works twofold to strengthen your hip flexors and to increase your hamstring mobility. Place your hands down on the ground by your knees and straighten your legs completely before raising them up repeatedly for repetitions. For an easier progression, simply place your hands further back towards your hips. As your mobility improves, you can walk your hands forward towards your knees. There aren't many exercises out there that give you the same benefits as the Brettzel Stretch. The Brettzel Stretch helps to open up your quads, hips, thoracic spine, and shoulders all at the same time. Start by crossing your right leg over, then reach back and grab your opposite foot. Take a few deep breaths as you lower your shoulder down towards the ground. Let's hold this stretch for 30 seconds. Now to keep the spine in balance, we must do the Brettzel Stretch on both sides. This time, you're going to cross your left leg over and hold it in place with your right hand. Reach back and grab your opposite foot, then breathe deeply as you lower your left shoulder towards the ground. To modify this exercise, simply place a foam roller underneath your leg. This will give you enough leverage to perform this exercise with greater comfort. Now if you're ready, let's begin. And that completes the workout. If you'd like, you can repeat this mobility routine for up to 3 rounds, resting 2 minutes between each round. Head over to LivFitAcademy.com to learn more about our online mobility programs. And while you're there, check out the Mobility Matrix program for daily mobility routines and weekly assessments to help you increase your mobility, strengthen your joints, and improve your athletic performance. Click the link in the description to learn more. Till next time, Mikey out.